What if I told you that the money in your pocket is not the only type of money, and that millions of people around the world are using completely different type of money? Stay with me on this one because this lesson could change the way you see money entirely. Hello everyone, you are welcome once more to the MDB Crypto Academy, where we make money and cryptocurrency very easy to understand. Let's get started. So, over the past decades, money has kept on evolving. People kept on looking for much more safer ways, easy ways, convenient ways to send, receive, buy, sell goods and services, store value, transfer value. With all of this, money kept on evolving. And every money is created to solve these problems. So today, we are going to be discussing about the 5 types of money. The first is commodity money. Commodity money is the oldest form of money, and it is believed to have its own value. People believe it has its own value. Even if we don't use it in buying and selling of goods and services, it has its own value. An example of commodity money is gold, silver, cattle, salt. So back in the days, people were using these commodities to purchase goods and services because they believe it has its own value. The second is a representative money. So as trading became so cumbersome, carrying gold and silver, carrying these commodities along, doing trading became too difficult and risky. So people decided to keep these commodities in safer places. So when they keep this gold and silver in safer places, they were issued certificate of ownerships. These certificates were called proof of ownership. So with this certificate, traders could use it anywhere. You could go with it anywhere and you present this certificate and you do your exchange with those certificates to prove that you actually own gold. The third form of money is the fiat money. The fiat money by itself has no material value, but we are using it because the government has legalized it. So people now tend to trust and use this money for exchange of goods and services. An example of fiat money is the USD, the Euro, the CFA, the Naira. Those are all fiat money, or we call them paper money. The fourth is the digital money, commonly called the electronic money. Technology has come and it has changed the way we use money today. The money in your bank account can be used via bank card, mobile money, mobile banking apps. You can send and receive within a few seconds without necessarily possessing the physical cash. So the digital system has come and it has also changed the way people use money today. And finally, the fifth is the cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency is the new form of money. It's the most recent form of money. And how does the cryptocurrency differ from the fiat currency? Because the cryptocurrency is also a form of digital currency. Cryptocurrency differs from fiat currency because it runs on a blockchain technology. It is not owned, it is not issued, and it is not controlled by the central banks. or by the government. So, cryptocurrency is all about decentralization. It's a form of money that is all about decentralization. Individuals can do transaction without necessarily needing the assistance of a third party like the banks. In our subsequent videos, we are going to be dipping deep into cryptocurrency. We are going to discuss about the blockchain technology. We are going to discuss about how you can own, buy, exchange cryptocurrency. So, I still encourage you to follow on because a lot is coming. We are just getting started. If you learn something on this channel today, today's lesson, please subscribe, follow, share, like, invite your friends and your family because we are going to be giving out raw knowledge on this channel about cryptocurrency. Every money is believed to be solving the problem of how fast it is, how convenient, how secure, and how reliable it is. So cryptocurrency, like I said, is the recent form of money. In our next lesson, we are going to be discussing about the evolution of money, how money has evolved over the decades. Please follow along because we are going to be discussing a lot in our next lesson. So I will see you on the next one. Until then, stay blessed.